We're playing Free Fire as usual. We're playing Joe with my other friend over here. Shoot Smooth FF.
Free Fire India is. Come on, let's see what's out there.
We're trying to make a combined channel, guys. Hey, Raiden is the. And this is literally 2 meters away, 3 meters away from me. Let's start the game. Of course, it's always a no talk game. I will be talking in the middle. Yeah, I'm bye.
Tracking system on. Time to write history.
Okay, guys. In the dumpster.
Stay alert.
Back of me, I can't see him, bro. Bro, where the fuck? He's already so far away from me, guys. Even he has a channel, Bad Boys. It's a cool channel. Check it out. We have made videos on that channel also.
Head there. Got a gun.
Okay, guys. One.
Need equipment.
Rara. ఇక్కడ ఫ్యాక్టరీ లోపల కింద పైన కింద ఎవరు నేనున్నాను రా. Guys, how did I get eliminated? ఒరే కొండ్రా నన్ను. అవునా గైస్, sorry, I'm not very good at the factory, guys. Everyone comes at the factory because it has good loot, and for this reason, don't you? ఇంకొక 100 కావాలి. ఇల్లేమా ఇంకో 100 కావాలా? అరే చంపేరా, వెనకాల ఒకటి ఉన్నాడు చూడరా. అవునా గైస్, దట్స్ ఎనిమీ ముందర ఫ్యాక్టరీ లోపల అప్పు. ఒరే అప్పుకి పోతాన్నదిరా. ఒరే ఏకే ఉంది, ఏకే థామ్సన్ ఎత్తుకో. Guys, he is a better player than me, I admit that. He has been playing 1 year before me, guys. Why I am such a new player? It just might be because I am just playing it for routine and to get better. Oh guys, kill. Ora champura. ఇంకా 100 రూపాయలు వచ్చాయి. ఇప్పుడు పోయావు కొను. He's gonna buy me, guys. He needed 100 more FF coins. He got it. Oh no, guys, there's also one more player there. Re, వద్దు. Guys, he's there. Help me. అరే పోరా ఉన్నాడు అక్కడే ఉన్నాడు. పోయారా పైకి పోయారా రైట్ we both are ready. Okay guys, ready go to ready కొట్లే కొట్టు ఇప్పుడు ఓకే గైస్ we are not gonna play beer rank anymore. No sir, we are gonna play lone wolf guys because that is a proper. Okay guys,
Free Fire India is set in a virtual world.
ఏ గన్ తీసుకోను యూఎంపీ అట్లా
Need equipment. Head there. Head there.
Oh no guys, I don't know how they're killing me. I really don't know, but at least నువ్వు ఆపకపోతే నేను ఇప్పకపోతా. We're going different paths guys. There's one more guy guys. They both look the exactly same. You left to go and right bota. They made a plan guys. He's gonna go left, I'm gonna go right. They're buying Desert Eagles. One shot guns ra. One shot guns. చంపురా నీ వెనకాల. I admit it guys, I'm not such a good player. He's using his skill. He should not use his skill. They will get to know where he is. Yes! High five! Guys, I'm so happy for winning. Sorry, apakabo. Ahola poku. Guys, they're killing us like. There's one more match that we're gonna play. That's the final match. Right? థామ్సన్ వద్దురా ఏకే ఉంటే తీసుకో అక్కడ ఉన్నాడు ఒరే థామ్సన్ తీసుకో రావద్దు Guys, I think we are gonna win. It might be us or it might be them. ఒరే నీకెందుకు రమ్మలో వచ్చింది సరే ఈసారి ఏ గన్స్ తీసుకుంటావు నాకు రాలే నీకే వచ్చింది నేను తీసుకుంటా నువ్వు పోకు I think they're gonna win. I don't know, guys. It's a match for 1-on-1. There's only one guy. ఒక్కడే ఉన్నాడు ఈసారి ఇంకోదు పోయాడు
Need equipment.
ఊరుకుందిరా ఒక్కటేరా ఉన్నది Okay guys, that's it for today. That was a close call.